Hello everyone and welcome back to Genie Crafts. In this third installment of Christmas decorations, what we are going to see is how to make beautiful snowflakes out of glitter foam sheets. But if you don't have glitter foam sheets, then you can also use regular glitter paper for it. So first print out for the template for your snowflakes. I have taken this particular template from pixabay.com and there are many simple and complex templates. Choose your own level of complexity. Then you need glitter foam sheets for it or regular glitter paper. This particular foam sheet is 2 mm thick foam sheet and it has a sticker at the back, so there is a lamination at the back of this foam sheet, and if you peel it off you can also stick it on the walls or anywhere else you want to decorate. Now what I have done is that I have cut small sizes from the bigger foam sheets so that I do not waste it. Also I have stuck the template on the back of the foam sheet. Now why I have not stuck the template on the front of the foam sheet is because the glitter on the foam sheet acts as a sandpaper against the sharpness of the blade. So if you'll cut from the front, chances are that you are going to reduce the sharpness of your blades very quickly. It's better if you stick it on the other side of the foam sheet and then cut from that side. One of the most common problems that you would encounter when cutting a foam sheet with the help of paper cutting knife is that your knife will get stuck in the foam sheet again and again, especially around the bends and the corner. So there is a trick to doing it. First of all, the blade that you are using has to be fresh. You should not have cut anything else with that blade because your foam sheets cut best when you are using a completely fresh blade. If you are using a fresh blade, it will feel like that you are cutting butter with hot knife. That easy it is to cut foam sheet with a fresh blade. Second, you have to move your knife in quick continuous strokes. You cannot stop in between again and again, or you cannot change the speed of your cutting in between the stroke, because then your foam sheet will get stuck with the knife and it will ruin your cut. Also, do not rotate your foam sheet while your knife is still cutting on the foam sheet. Remove your knife from the foam sheet and then rotate it. If you will not do it this way, then the chances are that your foam sheet will again get stuck with the knife and it will ruin your cut. Once you're done cutting, carefully remove the foam sheet. Do not put too much force on it, otherwise you will tear off the foam sheet. After removing the excess parts, check if there are any imperfections and you can correct it using your paper cutting knife. A lot of people also use scissors for cutting foam sheets, and you can also use scissor, but this was a little complex design and there were two small areas to cut with the help of scissor, and hence I'm using a paper cutting knife. I've cut the other two snowflakes off the camera, and here are all three snowflakes: white, blue and orange. When you work with glitter paper or glitter foam sheets, a lot of glitter will fall off from them on your cutting mat or on your clothes, and it's very difficult to get rid of it. But there is a very easy way of doing it. You can do so with the help of a lint roller, which will cleanly take off all the glitter from your cutting mat, from your hands, or also from your clothes. I hope you guys liked this easy DIY video on how to make your own glitter snowflakes. You can use different templates to create different kind of snowflakes on glitter paper, normal paper, foam sheets, glitter foam sheets, etc. If you guys like this video, then please do not forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel, and I hope you guys enjoyed all the decoration ideas that I gave for the Christmas. I will see you guys very soon in my next video. Till then, stay safe, take care and bye bye.